Good morning. I'm going to show you how to sign up for Pinterest, how to edit your profile, and how to follow somebody. So from Pinterest.com, you're going to click Sign Up. You're going to add an email. You're going to give it a password. And your age. Okay, do not do login with Facebook or login with Google. Okay, next, don't click anything else. So make sure you write down your password and the email address that you used. Next, right here, you're going to click the pencil and you're going to create your name. Because we're going to be using this online, use your first name, but not your last name. Or you could use your first name, and then for your last name, you could do SLHS. So that way we can kind of know who you are, and you can click Next. At the very beginning, you're going to be asked to pick 5 items. You can always go back and edit these. So you can just try to find a couple just very quickly that maybe kind of jump out at you, think that you might be interested in. Okay. Now I've got my Pinterest set. So Pinterest is going to allow us to make folders called boards, and then inside each of those we're going to be able to make sections. But first let's work on our profile. When you click the down arrow in the top right, you're going to see your account, and you can click Settings. This is where you could change your photo, but again, because this is online, I would encourage you not to use your own photo. You have your first name and last name, and then this is what you're going to need to turn into me for a grade is your username. And then down here is also going to have your Pinterest account link. You do not necessarily have to put your location in there. Okay, and you can click Done. So now we can click on your name, and then now we kind of know who you are. Next, I want you to click on Following, and right now you're not following anybody. So under Search, you're going to type my Pinterest profile name, which is SROBERTSSL, short for Shanna Roberts at Southern Lee. Okay, and you're going to click here. And then you're going to click Follow. This is going to allow me to see you, and then later I can follow you back. In the next video, you're going to see how to make your boards and sections. And again, if you want to put a profile picture of you, you can do that, or you can put a picture, something else school appropriate that is in there.